guys, it's Marie with WTI. I got these jumbo craft sticks and I use them at least a few times a week. First off, I'm a kindergarten teacher, so we have a lot of fun projects that we do in my class. So I always make sure that my kids have some popsicle sticks on hand. They're awesome for learning not only arts and crafts, but math, reading. You can use these for so many different projects. The possibilities are totally endless. I also have children and they are small and they love to build things with popsicle sticks like houses, little animals. They just love these popsicle sticks. They're big and thick and they are very, very good quality. If you look and see how awesome these things are. And it comes with so many of them. You can do so many different projects before you run out. So if you're looking for something to jazz up your arts and crafts, if you're looking for some fun math projects or reading and spelling projects, or if you just like playing with popsicle sticks, these are amazing. I would highly recommend this product, and that's my point of view.